Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to back up iPhone to cloud. It is advisable to regularly create backups of your phone's contents so that nothing gets lost either due to an accident or some other unexpected issue. There are different ways for you to back up your phone. We'll walk you through the different steps so you can keep your precious data safe and available for backup. In this video, we will walk you through the steps to back up your iPhone using iCloud. Please note that these steps are applicable to all iPhone models running iOS 17 or later. Step 1. Connect to Wi-Fi. Make sure your iPhone is connected to a Wi-Fi network. iCloud backups require a stable internet connection. Step 2. Go to the home screen of your iPhone and tap on the Settings app. It is represented by a gear icon. Step 2. Tap on your Apple ID. Scroll down and tap your Apple ID at the top of the Settings menu. This will open your Apple ID settings. Step 4. Access iCloud settings. Tap on iCloud to access the iCloud settings. Step 5. Enable iCloud Backup. Scroll down and tap on iCloud Backup. Toggle the switch to enable it if it is not already turned on. And Step 6. Initiate Backup. Tap on Backup Now to start the backup process. Ensure that your iPhone is connected to a power source and has enough storage space on iCloud to complete the backup. In case you want to have your phone do a backup automatically, you can toggle the iCloud selection at the top of the iCloud backup. To do this, your iPhone has to be charging and a Wi-Fi connection. Remember to also check that you have enough storage space in iCloud to store all of your data. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.